Thanks, that's so great to hear everyone read. Cynthia, would you like to come up and close the evening for us and just say a little bit more so you can bask in your glory just a little bit longer? Cynthia's going to read one more poem for us.
Yay! Okay, so I'm going to go with, for a closing poem, this is Surrender. I compost my old poems in decomposing fruit, raspberry rivulets, held in the folds of long ago words, the freedom to move on, drooplets one step ahead, gently into the earth. I want to thank you to all my friends who came from the open mic, and thank you to Laura Veresi for hosting that section, to Candace James and Ken Ader of Silverbow Publishing for doing an amazing job of my book, and for videotaping all of us who wanted to be. And thank you to Jude Neal, who co-wrote the title poem, and to the Hood 29 for hosting us here. So thanks everyone for coming out.